In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, my dear students, His mercy and blessing be upon you. It's my pleasure to be with you in Unit 6, entitled Under Threat. Look at this picture. I'm going to ask you an important question. Mention some animals which are under threat. Yes, this is a picture of rhinoceros. And what about that? It's bamboo bear. The bamboo bear, it is one of the most fascinating timid wild mammal in the world. The panda is also one of the most reticent and lives a solitary life. Look at this picture, my dear students. This is the first new word that we are going to study today. It's a fascinating. If you describe this wonderful view, it's a fascinating view. So fascinating means extremely interesting. Let's turn to the second new word. That's timid. The bamboo bear is a very timid. Timid means what? Shy, like this guy, and nervous. It is very reticent. Reticent also means easily frightened or timid. The bamboo bear lives a solitary life. Solitary, yes, solitary means done or existing alone. Let me tell you some information about panda. Panda usually live in a cold, damp condition, but are protected by their black and white fur. Unlike some members of the bear family, panda do not hibernate. You know, damp. Damp means slightly wet. Yes, slightly wet. What about hibernate? Hibernate means what? Means to sleep during the winter. Threatened panda eat the leaves, stem, and roots of the bamboo plants. Panda were being hunted for their skin. So human pose the biggest threat to their survival. Stem is the main food of panda, a long thin part of plant, from which leaves, flowers, or fruit grow. And what about booze? Booze means what everybody to cope is something, especially a problem or difficulty. Threatened means what? Endangered. The Chinese authorities have to set up permanent reservation, which are expensive enough for 500 to 600 animals. This is permanent. Yes, lasting or intended to last or remain any change. Expensive. This place is expensive means an increase of something in size, number, or importance. They climbed up the nearest tree for refuge. Their acute hearing also helped them to avoid their enemies. The tree is the refuge for a bamboo bear. This is refuge means shelter or protection from someone or something. And we have also acute. Acute means acute senses such as hearing test, etc. are very good and sensitive. Avoid to stay away from someone or something. Hunter pose extinction means cause extinction of some animals. So Extinction means what? Means a situation in which something no longer exists. We should help endangered animals by keeping them in a native reservations. A reservation. The action of reserving something. Let's revise the new vocabulary again. Look at this picture. This picture is describe the word what? Acute. What about that? Avoid. Look at this picture. Done. And what about that? Expansive. Yes, this is extinction. Fascinating. Hibernate. Permanent means lasting. Because problem means what? Pose. Yes, that's right. And what about this picture? Refuge. Yeah. Wonderful. And what about this picture? Reservation. Yeah. What about this picture? Reticent. This girl is reticent. What about this picture of a man? He like living a solitary life. What about stem is the main food of panda. Yes, threatened means in danger. And shy means timid. Okay, everybody, now let's turn to our student home page 46 to answer this quiz. Before answering this question, we are going to match the words with the meaning. Number one is extinction, a process seeming to exist. Habitat, a natural living area or environment of animal. Hibernates live during winter. Sanctuary, a safe place where animals are protected. Reticent means easily frightened or timid. Now it's time to answer the quiz. Which country is the natural habitat of giant panda? Yes, it's China. Let's turn to the second one. What kind of food does giant panda mainly eat? It's bamboo. Yeah, wonderful. How many hours a day does a giant panda spend eating? 12 hours. Yeah. How tall is a male giant panda? 1.5 meters. How much does a male giant panda weigh? Yes, 120 kilograms. How many giant pandas are there left in the wild? About 1,600. What is the greatest threat to the survival of the giant panda in the world? Yes, people hunting it for its black and white fur. Now we are going to read that text again to answer some questions related to the text. Student Bob page what? Page 47. After reading, we want to read the article again and match this heading with the correct paragraph from A to A. Yes, try to think. Yes, eating habit is paragraph D. When we say panda mainly eat the leaves, stem, shoots, and root of bamboo plants, this is eating habit. Let's turn to paragraph B, typical lifestyle. Pandas spend about 12 hours every day feeding and the remaining time sleeping. Yes, paragraph E, saving panda. There are only about 1,600 panda left in the wild. Basic information in paragraph A, though it is one of the best known, best loved, and most fascinating wild animal in the world. This is basic information. Special ability. C. Despite the size and weight, panda are very good at climbing. Yes. Let's discuss some important questions. Is it right for people who hunt or rear animals to be punished? Yes, I think. They have to be punished. They have to be punished. It's not their right to hunt rear animals. What sacrifice would you be willing to make to protect an endangered species and why? Yes, we could help in raising awareness among people to protect endangered species from extinction. And also we can build a reservation. Okay, that's all we have today, my dear students, about bamboo bear. Try to listen again and return to your student book, page 46 and 47, to read and understand the lesson again. That's all we have today, my dear students. See you next time. Goodbye.